So here's the sheet in which we have performed some functions. So for example, you want to fill the color on in the border in between the cell. So from here, you this port you can fill this color you want. For example, say you want this color, and here also if you want to fill the color yellow color likewise. And if you want to change the color of the text, not inside the color, so you can change this also. For example, you want to write it with the blue color, so likewise, so it has been written in a blue color, and in between the can color or sky color has been there. So likewise you can decorate your sheet in like in MS Word you are doing the same manner. You can color it likewise. So some other functions are also there. uh, I have told you about this, and if you want to bold this one, you can bold it, or you want to italic it, then you can apply like this. But you have to select, firstly you have to select the cell, and if you want to underline this likewise, and if we want this one into be bold one, so likewise, so it is in bold form. So this is I think it is clear to you. And if we want the data should be in sorted manner, so we can also do like, and there is a feature for sort the data. You can sort the data by the name, by the marks, by the in any way. So you just go with the data menu, and you can sort the data, sort how you want to sort it. Sort by the, by which column, serial number or 1 2. It is already in a serial number. If you it is already in the roll number wise. And what we want, we want the through the name of the students. And by then values, no, I don't want, but order A to Z. So it will align the whole the data with this one. So you will find you just select the data. If you are not selecting whole of the data, it will change only that cell which you want to sort by name. Okay, values A to Z. Okay. Because there is a merge cell, so it is not performing this one. So you can do like this, because we have already merged some cell, like up to Nishtha we are taking data sort under A to Z through name of the student A to Z. You will find it will be in ascending order. Now A B C D, like Amit, Bhumi, Fatima, so it is in ascending order. So if we want to change the sequence, because the roll number should not be changed, so likewise, and we can change the sequence. Select these two cell and you just drag it. Okay, you can align with, but the students, if you are not, for example, you are just selecting this one, so it will select it will do the ascending order in the that column only. If you are doing with the whole table, then it will sort the data accordingly. So how you can sort the data into that. Now I'm talking to you about the basic functions of MS Excel, how we are performing plus, minus, multiplication, divide and all. In the Excel, similar in the mathematics, board mass is applied. So here also everything you have to, Excel is performing every task through board mass, applying by the board mass. So for example, total marks, I know that each marks carrying 100 total marks. Maximum marks of each subject is 100. 3 subjects are there, so I know that every function, if you want to perform any calculation part or anything, you want to apply formula, you have to put equal sign. Without equal, Excel can't work. So we have to put Excel sign, and I know and that the total marks of each subject is, maximum marks of each subject is 100, and there are 3 subjects, so I can apply multiplication and then 3, then press enter. So it is like that because every subject are this in all the class, student are having the same total marks. So I have dragged it and it has been copied. So the marks of obtained by the students, for example, I want some other calculation part, but I want to, for example, remarks. Under remarks I'm performing different functions and formulas. Grid lines, this one I have chosen. Then for example I want plus, if I want to plus something, addition, you can say addition. You can say sum, deduction, sum. If you want to sum, I know, and you people also know how we can sum it, equal to this cell, because in Excel everything has been taken with the cell reference. This plus this, you can do it manually. Select this cell plus this cell. It's up to you how you are taking in the sequence, and you can take anything. This is the sum. If I want to I want that English and statistics should be sum up, and you have to deduct the marks of computer. So like addition of two subject minus computer subject marks. I want to perform this function, the basic function, just like we are doing in our first or third, fourth class. So it's not coming, so you can apply it merge cell also, wrap text. So likewise, if it is not adjusting, you can do like this. So what we want to do, I want to do, or you can do like this also, Control Z. Still it's not coming in the cell, so wrap text. Addition of two subjects equal to, take this cell reference is E column 6 row number, and plus this minus this. If you do like that, the answer will be wrong, because what it's done, it has taken F2. So it is always apply board mass. So what will you do, equal to bracket start this plus this bracket close minus this. So this is the right answer, because in this summation it is not required. Sometime it will give the wrong answer. Here it has given the correct answer, but it is not always true. So you always try to keep in your mind that Excel perform in this manner. For example, what I want the English marks, English marks into computer marks plus stats marks minus computer, or any number, you can perform any number. This is the statement what I want. So here, how can you apply this, equal to English marks. English marks is, for example, this cell into computer marks, this cell bracket close, you just take this one, then plus stats, put the symbol plus, plus stats is this cell, then minus computer is this one, enter. Likewise, so you can perform any task whatever you have in your mind you want to perform. Likewise you can do. So in the divide also, if what I want that uh, total of all 2 will be divided by 4. Okay, so total of all 3 you can say, it is whatsoever you want to do you can do. uh, I'll make it some difficult one, not a difficult one, but marks of two students in English plus statistics marks minus computer into English. So my basic purpose to tell you about whatsoever in your mind, if you want any operator plus minus equal to greater than equal, you can apply over here. So I'm taking this statement here, equal to, I'm sorry, control Z, in this cell I want whatsoever you want to perform. Firstly you have to select the cell, then equal to marks of 2 students. There may be any name or so. For example, I'm taking these marks of English, sum of, so you can write the sum bracket, or you can apply simply, I'll tell you, this cell plus marks of 2 students in English, bracket close, bracket start, bracket close, then plus statistics, bracket start. You can select the range also if you don't want to write, then minus computer marks, minus, because they are asking 2 subjects marks, so minus this in bracket, then multiplication with English marks, total of, yeah. Here it will take, because we have not mentioned the plus, so we have to mention it plus. So it will perform according to board mass. Likewise, so in this manner you can apply any formula whatsoever in your mind. It is not necessarily कि you can't apply the formula which you know. You can apply what you want to do, and whatsoever you have learned in mathematics you can apply this one. Now I'm going to tell you about different functions. So before going to that, I'll tell you, I have told you about new sheet, and this is the open means whatsoever you have a sheet within your laptop Excel sheet, it will open that one. For example, I want to open this file, so it will open that file. And I have told you about save and save as. whenever you are saving first time, so it will take save. And if you want to modify something in existing workbook and you want to rename it with the other name, so you just use save as. And if you want to print your sheet, sometime it is very difficult, so you can print the worksheet, entire worksheet. So you can select entire worksheet, you can select over here, you can see the preview. So how it is, otherwise because there are a number of rows, number of columns, and it will go beyond that, so I want this should be. So this is the preview how it has been printed. Now prepare, if you want to inscript with the sometime there is a protection feature is also there. If you want to protect your sheet, you can protect your sheet also, encrypt with the document, or restrict permission if you want that nobody can access your sheet what you have done with that. So you can restrict from here, restrictive, cancel, I want to cancel it. Then property, it will tell you about the properties. You can view and edit the worksheet, inspect the document if you want to see the document, and add the digital signature. Now it is very much used. If you want to apply, so you can do it, but you have to, for example, I'm not using here. Now send, if I want to send this file through email, so from here only, you need not to go, you just mail it to your to whom you want to do. And then comes your as a PDF, email as a PDF, it can be goes like I have told you, it has been saved into PDF. Now it this feature is giving you a feature that it already make it PDF, and you can send it. Then if you send it through internet fax, so you can send it, publish it, that means you want to publish it on YouTube or multimedia, or you want to create a document, close this sheet will be closed. This is come under file menu. Now insert, there are some feature under insert, you can insert a table. For example, it will show you, firstly you have to select the data where you want to do that. Table, so one column table or two column, it's up to you. You can insert the picture also, whatsoever the picture in your gallery, you can use that one, sample of the picture, just like in a Word document you are applying this. So here also you can apply the picture, change the color, change the size, I'm sorry, like. And then if you want to insert clip art, the same like in Word, for example I am searching computer picture, I want to use this. There are inbuilt pictures already there in Excel, like in Word, you can use it. Then comes your shapes, and shapes you can add any shape from here, you can select any shape. For example, this one, this arrow, I want this arrow with that, so you can use likewise in the word you are using. And there are smart art, you can see smart art. There are number of options of for example, I'm using this one. Okay,